All right, Anna, I'm just sitting on my couch with my husband next to me, so if you hear strange noises, it's probably our TV or our dog or my husband. Come up here to slideshow, and then when you click that, go ahead and play from beginning, and then you should get the screen. And if you can hear, it's reading on mine. If you don't want to wait for it all to read through, you can click ahead, and then you can kind of see how um, music's going, and keep clicking through. Let me get to the end here. I have them timed for 15 seconds apiece. And I think once we get all the information on there, that will be okay, but I can always make it less. 15 seconds is quite a bit of time, though. And I have it flipping like a book. Thought that was kind of. And then when I get to Alexia, it'll do something a little different. So that's what I have so far.